Eleventy versus Hugo 2025. Which static site generator is best for your website? Most people get static site generators wrong by assuming they all offer the same speed and flexibility. In 2025, Eleventy and Hugo are leading options, but each has unique strengths. You won't believe what happens next. Choosing the right one can dramatically impact development time and site performance. Eleventy is a JavaScript-based static site generator known for flexibility and simplicity. It doesn't enforce a specific framework, giving developers full control over templates, content structure, and front-end libraries. The surprising truth is that it's lightweight and fast, making it ideal for small to medium websites, blogs, and documentation sites. Hugo, on the other hand, is built with Go, making it one of the fastest static site generators available. It comes with built-in templates, multilingual support, and an extensive ecosystem. Hugo is perfect for large websites that need quick builds and extensive content management without relying heavily on plugins. Both generators offer Markdown support, templating, and easy deployment to static hosts like Netlify or Vercel. The choice often comes down to familiarity with JavaScript versus Go, and whether you prioritize speed and built-in features or flexibility and customization. In conclusion, in 2025, choose Eleventy if you want a flexible, lightweight solution for smaller sites with custom workflows. Choose Hugo if you need blazing fast builds for large sites or want extensive out-of-the-box features. Both are excellent, but your project requirements and technical comfort should guide the decision.